Ever found yourself without a mouse and completely stuck? Well, prepare to ditch the mouse forever, because today, we're mastering the art of computer navigation without one. First up, keyboard shortcuts. These are your new best friends. Let's start with the basics to navigate between on-screen elements. Use the Tab key. Press Tab repeatedly to cycle between icons, buttons, and links. If you go too far, Shift plus Tab takes you backward. Once you've highlighted the desired element, hit Enter to select it. Just like a mouse click to close a window. Use Alt plus F for need to open the Start menu. Hit the Windows key. These are game changers, and you'll feel like a secret agent navigating your computer with ultimate efficiency. Next, let's explore accessibility features. Most operating systems offer built-in tools designed for mouse-free navigation. Navigate to the Settings menu, most likely found by pressing the Windows key, then using the Tab key and the arrow keys to select it, then pressing Enter within the settings. Search for accessibility or ease of access. From the accessibility menu, you can find settings specifically for the keyboard and mouse. Look for options like mouse keys, and with this enabled, you can then use the number keys on your keyboard to control the mouse pointer's movement. The 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and 3 keys emulate the general movement. And then the 5 key acts as a click. Don't count out that touchpad. If you're using a laptop, try the touchpad. The basics: 1 finger for a click, 2 fingers to scroll up and down. Experiment. Different gestures, especially for your specific laptops, will enhance your usage. Practice these methods and you'll be clicking, scrolling, and opening apps like a pro in no time. And there you have it. You're now equipped to conquer any computer, with or without a mouse.